Here she is doing laundry. It reminds me of back in the Caribbean. I don't see a scrubbing board. Right. Get these little packets of soap. I sure miss my washing machine and my dryer, but I guess clothes dry fairly quickly here. Good thing my clothes ain't too dirty. After watching this, I sure appreciate the conveniences that I have at home. Use more soap on top of soap. Yeah, the scrubbing board. The scrubbing board.
No.
No?
No.
Oh. They don't even, she doesn't even have a scrubbing board here. They had to do it all by hand. That's tough. I wonder if she has some strong grip. I probably gotta go into town and get her a scrubbing board. I asked her if she wanted me to buy her a scrubbing board to make washing clothes easier. She said no. This is how they do it. Wow. I am humbled as to how easy life is for us. Let's just throw this shit in the washing machine and forget it. Paint. I am very humble.